Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to delete your Reddit account. So if you're watching this on your phone, your tablet, your laptop, or any other devices rather than a computer, please stay on the video even you're using an Apple device or an iOS, or rather a MacBook, okay? Because it's literally the same process. So with this one, make sure you're logged in first. This is gonna be the landing page of Reddit. Simply click on your profile in the top right section, and then you need to look for this user settings. Want you to click on it. I want you to go at the very bottom part. It should be under account section, and at the very bottom part there is this delete account. So simply fill this up, the reason why you're deleting it, your username and password, and simply click on this checkbox. Once you fill this out, for example, you filled everything up, this delete button will be able to be clickable, because right now it's being grayed out, right? So once you're done filling this up, simply click on delete, and you're good to go. Your Reddit account has been deleted. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.